This is our Turtle Tech presentation. I'm Cameron Harrop.
My name's Chairman Lyon.
And I'm Arjun Goswami.
Okay, so the problem. What's the problem that we're trying to solve? Our problem is targeted towards senior citizens and teaching them how to use the internet efficiently and safely without getting scammed. So some of the problems is it can be really difficult to teach senior citizens how to use the internet safely and effectively. And it can be really intimidating to learn, given that the internet is so large and there's so many skills that you have to master to be able to use it safely and efficiently. So it's very intimidating to learn for someone who knows nothing about it. And it's easy for both student and teacher to get frustrated and just give up on learning it. And people don't really know what they're missing out on if they've never experienced it in the first place. And this can lead to a sort of feeling of disconnectedness from the world if you are unable to. A lot of our interactions take place on the internet, and if you're unable to take part in those, it can lead to a sort of feeling of disconnectedness. And another big issue is scammers. So $56 billion were lost to identity fraud in 2020 alone, which is a lot of money. And a lot of these identity fraud scams go on through the internet, where people will put information into websites or accounts that are impersonating another website. And senior citizens especially are a target of these attacks.
Okay, so that's a pretty difficult problem to tackle. So we believe we have a solution, and that solution is Turtle Tech. So we've designed an all-new website from the ground up, designed with simplicity in mind. It's also made for seniors, so we've just specifically tried to do stuff, make design choices for them. And we have articles, how-to articles on how to use different aspects of the internet, along with interactive quizzes to ingrain the information. Here's our demo.
So, what does this website look like, and how is it presented? So, from the main page, we get to access our main content, in which this includes many useful articles, that includes informational GIFs and many interactive design features to help show the simple step-by-step process of what we're talking about for a certain topic. After that, the users are also presented with a interactive and entertaining quiz in which they can use pictures and use their information that they've learned from these articles to show what they've learned. Now, from the inner workings of the website, we are able to have direct access to the server and create things like SSH certificates to make it look secure, download and transfer files, and tinker with the inner workings of what our website is so that it looks simple and fun. And finally, we have all of that data and all of those changes shown on our Linode website, in which it shows stuff like our IP addresses, how much storage there is, what's our CPU usage, all that stuff.
Basically, we need now to execute the solution and then look into the future. So, looking into the future, we currently have just a preliminary design of our website, and we have like a fully working article and quiz, but that's basically our vision, and we want to expand that to more than just one aspect of the internet. We want to work together with seniors to optimize user experience, to just make our website even easier to use than it already is. And we also want to create some more easy-to-use accessibility features built into the site, such as text zoom, enlarging text for seniors so they can read it easier, and voiceover. Here's team experience.
So this is our experience as a team together. So we've worked on many projects for about 7 years. We've worked on many projects in many different subjects. So we're pretty experienced, and we're able to collaborate with each other very well.
I was the content writer, so I wrote the first article we have on our prototype, and we'll be working to write more in the future. And I also handled research for our content website.
I was the website builder for the group, in which I was tackled with the problem of how to present our demo. So we have our idea, we have the images, we have the text. Now, how do we put that all into one little website and program it so that it's able to show off and able to present itself?
And then I was the website designer, which I tried to design the website with a little I was tasked with designing the website with simplicity in mind and easy to use features specifically targeted for senior citizens, and also doing things just like text placement, the images we used, and just overall things like that. And if you would like, you can visit our site today at turtletech.app. Thank you.